Okay, let's walk through the simple steps of how to redial on an iPhone. First things first, you want to pull up your phone. Then you want to enter the number you want to call. 313. All right, place the call by pushing the green phone icon. All right, you get a busy signal, hang up, and you can do two things now. You can go the long way and completely close out your phone application. Then you can reopen it, push the green phone icon, the last number you called will pull up, and you push the icon again, you make the call. Busy. So you hang up. Now if you just want to keep trying to call back, push the green phone icon again, that number will reappear, push it once more, redials. Busy again. So you can keep doing this over and over until you get through, or you lose your mind and you stop trying. Either way, this is a quick and easy way to redial on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial helped. I hope everyone's staying healthy. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.